If you want to see the internet speed on the status bar over here on the Motorola Moto G56, what you have to do is go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get this information on the status bar. So we're gonna go to search and I'm gonna write internet speed meter. There we go. And this is an example app that we can use in order to see the internet speed pretty much all the time. So let's install it and then let's open it. In this case, we need to grant permission for notifications because the internet speed will be visible over here in notifications, because we will have a notification of the internet speed, and this is how it works. Alright, so now once it is set up, of course we have the internet speed here in silent notifications, so let's actually close these notifications over here so that I can actually see the internet speed. And there we go. As you can see, we have the internet speed in this place. If you don't see the internet speed, make sure that silent notifications are enabled to be seen over here on the status bar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.